Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting months in the garden, November. While many plants are winding down for the season, there's still plenty of opportunities to grow delicious vegetables, fragrant herbs, and beautiful flowers. Let's explore what you can plant this November to keep your garden thriving. First, let's talk about vegetables. November is a fantastic month to plant cool season crops. Lettuce and spinach are perfect for planting now. These crops thrive in cooler temperatures, and you can expect fresh greens by late winter, early spring. Next, consider broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. These robust plants can withstand the chilly weather and will continue to grow through the winter months. Don't forget about root crops like carrots, beets, and radishes. Sowing these now can enhance their flavors, often improving after a frost. Finally, onions and leeks can be planted this month. For those in colder climates, you might want to start them indoors and transplant them later. Moving to herbs, November is a great time to plant perennial herbs. Here are my favorites. Chives are hardy and can handle the cooler temperatures. Plant them now and you'll have a fresh supply come spring. Thyme and oregano, these Mediterranean herbs, thrive in mild conditions and are great additions to your kitchen garden. Finally, don't forget about sage. It's a fantastic herb that can add flavor to many dishes and is quite easy to grow. Now let's talk about flowers. November is the perfect time to plant spring bulbs. Here's what you can include. Tulips are a garden favorite. Plant them now and enjoy their vibrant colors when spring arrives. Daffodils are cheerful blooms that are also great to plant in November. They'll come back year after year, giving you a smile in early spring. Lastly, consider hyacinth for their beautiful fragrance. Planting them now will ensure a stunning display in your spring garden. Before we wrap up, there's some additional tips to keep in mind for November planting. From a soil preparation perspective, incorporate well-rotted compost into your soil to improve its structure and nutrient content. Apply a layer of mulch to insulate your plant's roots from the cold. Organic materials like straw or shredded leaves work quite well. Finally, from a plant protection perspective, consider using cold frames or row covers to shield your plants from frost and winter colds. And there you have it, what to plant in November and a few tips. With these tips and plant suggestions, you can keep your garden productive even as the temperatures drop. Remember to enjoy the process and keep your garden thriving throughout cooler months. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening and see you next time.